The blkid command is a powerful utility for identifying and displaying attributes of block devices, such as partitions and storage volumes. This command is used in Linux operating systems. In this video, we will explore the various ways you can use this command. The blkid command without any options displays all block devices with their attributes. To use this command, type sudo blkid in your terminal. The output will show the device paths, universally unique identifiers, file system types, and other attributes for all block devices connected to your system. You can query a specific device by providing its path as an argument to the blkid command. For example, to query a specific device, type sudo blkid, followed by the device path, such as /dev/sda1. You can also query multiple devices at once by providing multiple device paths as arguments. This is useful when you need information about specific storage devices or partitions. The O option allows you to customize the output format of the blkid command. For example, to display only the universally unique identifier, type sudo blkid O value UUID, followed by the device path. To display only the file system type, type sudo blkid O value type, followed by the device path. The O list option lists all devices in a different format. The columns displayed are device, file system type, label, mount point, and universally unique identifier. Use D to search for devices by file system type and U to search by universally unique identifier. For example, to find all extension 4 file systems, type sudo blkid t type equals extension 4. To find a device by universally unique identifier, type sudo blkid u, followed by the universally unique identifier value. These search options are particularly useful in scripts when you need to find devices with specific attributes, or when working with universally unique identifiers in /etc/fstab. blkid maintains a cache file at /etc/blkid.tab or /run/blkid/blkid.tab to improve performance. To force probe all devices and ignore the cache, use the P option, followed by the device path. To update the cache file, type sudo blkid g. This gathers all new information and updates the cache. The P option forces blkid to probe the specified device even if it's in the cache. The G option forces a cache update by gathering all new information. Let's explore some common use cases for the blkid command. To get the universally unique identifier for an fstab entry, type sudo blkid UUID value, followed by the device path. To check the file system type of a device, type sudo blkid type O value, followed by the device path. The blkid command is essential for system administrators when working with storage devices, creating fstab entries, and managing file systems. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.